Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of real estate investing and provide you with some valuable tips if you're a beginner looking to get started. Whether you're looking to generate passive income or build long-term wealth, real estate investing can be a powerful strategy. So, let's jump right in. The first tip for beginners is to set clear goals. Before you start investing, ask yourself what you want to achieve with real estate. Are you looking for monthly cash flow or long-term appreciation? Define your objectives, as they will shape your investment strategy. Real estate investing involves various concepts and strategies, so it's crucial to educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and follow credible online resources. Understand the different types of real estate investments, financing options, market trends, and local regulations. Knowledge is your foundation for success. Research is key when it comes to real estate investing. Study the local market to identify areas with potential for growth and demand. Analyze comparable property prices, rental rates, and vacancy rates. Consider factors like job growth, infrastructure development, and amenities in the area. Thorough research helps you make informed investment decisions. As a beginner, it's important to define your investment strategy. Will you focus on rental properties, fix and flip projects, or commercial real estate? Each strategy has its own advantages and considerations. Choose a strategy that aligns with your goals, resources, and risk tolerance. Real estate investing is a people-oriented business, so building a strong network is vital. Connect with real estate agents, property managers, lenders, and other investors. Attend networking events and join local real estate associations. A supportive network can provide valuable advice, partnership opportunities, and access to deals. When evaluating potential real estate investments, it's crucial to analyze the numbers. Consider factors such as purchase price, rental income, operating expenses, financing costs, and potential returns. Calculate metrics like cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and return on investment, ROI. Thorough analysis helps you make sound investment decisions. Starting small is a wise approach for beginners. Begin with a single property or a small multifamily unit. This allows you to gain hands-on experience, understand the responsibilities of being a landlord, and learn the intricacies of real estate transactions. As you gain confidence and knowledge, you can gradually scale your investments. That wraps up our video on real estate investing tips for beginners. Remember, real estate can be a rewarding investment vehicle, but it requires careful planning, research, and continuous learning. Start by setting clear goals, educating yourself, and building a strong network. Take small steps, analyze the numbers, and refine your strategy as you gain experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on real estate investing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.